Namaste everyone and welcome back. In our previous video, we introduced you to the 5 elements and today we are diving deeper into the first one, Earth. The Earth element or Prithvi is all about stability, grounding and structure. It is the foundation upon which everything else exists and it plays a vital role in both the physical and energetic bodies. Let's explore the theory and significance of Earth and how you can bring its energy into your life and yoga practice. In yoga, Earth represents solidity, the substance that gives us our form. It is the physical ground beneath our feet and the root of our stability, both in our body and mind. The Earth element symbolizes security, nurturing, and support. Without Earth, there would be no form, no structure, no foundation for the rest of the elements to work with. Earth corresponds to the Root Chakra, Muladhara, located at the base of the spine. This chakra governs our sense of safety, security, and our ability to feel grounded in the world. When the Earth element is balanced, we feel stable, supported, and resilient. When it is out of balance, we may feel unstable, anxious, or disconnected from our physical bodies. Earth governs the physical body's structure, especially our bones, teeth, skin, and muscles. It is also responsible for our sense of touch and connection to the physical world. When we are grounded in the Earth element, we feel rooted and stable in our body. The Earth element also governs our legs and feet, our ability to stand strong and firm, to take steps forward in life, and to move with intention and purpose. This element is about being present and anchored both in our body and in the movement. On an emotional level, Earth represents our emotional foundation. When Earth is balanced, we feel stable and nurtured. We have a strong sense of self and are able to stay grounded in difficult situations. When this element is out of balance, we may feel ungrounded, overwhelmed, or stuck in a rut. Balancing the Earth element brings a sense of inner peace and security. It allows us to trust ourselves, our path, and our place in the world. It is all about creating a feeling of solid grounding where we are not tossed around by every emotions or external influence. Now, how do we bring the energy of Earth into our daily lives and yoga practice? Here are a few simple ways. First, grounding asanas. Focus on poses like Tadasana, mountain pose, Veerbhadrasana, warrior pose, and Malasana, garland pose. These postures help you root your body into the earth and create a stable foundation. Second, breath work. Use deep, slow breathing to bring awareness to your base, to your legs, and to your feet. Imagine yourself sinking deeper into the earth with every exhale, becoming more grounded and stable. Third, walking barefoot. Spend time walking barefoot on natural surfaces like grass, sand, or earth. This helps connect your physical body with the energy of the earth, promoting balance and stability. Fourth, mindfulness and meditation. Take moments throughout your day to sit quietly, feel the earth beneath you, and connect to the present moment. You can also meditate on the root chakra, visualizing a red energy at the base of your spine, grounding you into the earth. On a larger scale, the earth element represents the material world, the physical landscape, the seasons, and the cycle of life and death. It symbolizes our connection to the planet, to nature, and to the cycle of natural world. When we are in tune with the earth, we also become more aligned with the rhythm of life itself. The earth element reminds us to stay rooted, to take care of ourselves and our environment, and to honor the nurturing energy that the earth provides. That's a brief overview of the earth element, its significance in yoga, and how it influences our physical and emotional well-being. In our next video, we will dive deeper into specific practices like asanas, pranayam and mudras to help you balance the earth element within yourself. So stay tuned for more. Don't forget to check out my other playlist for more insight into yoga philosophy and practice. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. As always, thank you for being here. Stay grounded, stay balanced and namaste.